Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture, I have selected a particular question of your NCERT exercise of binary operation. The question is little bit interesting as well as difficult also. So let me explain first what will be the question and what is the concept lies behind it. The question is defined as like that. Star is defined. Star is a function or an operation which is defined on n. Star is a simple operation is defined on n, which is defined as under this operation a star b is equal to HCF of a comma b. That means if we apply this operation between two numbers, just you have to find out the HCF. That means 2 star 4. HCF means highest common factor. So which one is the highest common factor? That means 2 star 4 means this is nothing but HCF of 2, 4. What is the HCF then? 2. That means under this operation, the element will be defined as like that. Any two elements will be given. Just try to find out the HCF. Okay. So first of all, the question is given that first of all you have to check that it is a binary operation or not. Star is a binary operation. It is an operation no doubt, but it is a binary operation or not. Or you can say that it is satisfied the closure property. Closure property. Closure property means the star is defined on what? Natural number. This one implies star from n cross n to n. Am I correct? Star is a operation. So first of all, to be a binary operation, we will consider any two natural number. One from this one say, another from this one. After considering two natural numbers, we are going to apply these operations. And after this operation, if we have a natural number once, again and always, then this operation will be known as binary operation. Okay, so you have to justify your answer. Closure property মানে binary operation মানে চেক কৰা মিনিং সেমই হয়। তবে তুমি দুটা ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার লোৱা, এই ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার মাজত এই অপাৰেচনটো এপ্লাই কৰা, আনসাৰ ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার হ'ব নহয়। তুমি নিজে চোৱা। দুটা ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার ললো। তাহাঁতৰ কমন ফ্যাক্টৰ হলে কি ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার হ'ব নেকি? Obviously. HCF highest common factor obviously এই দুটা ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার যদি মই লওঁ, তেনেকে 2 আৰু 4 ললো। Any natural number you can consider. তাহাঁতৰ HCF টো আমাৰ ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার হ'ব obviously। তাতো নেগেটিভ হোৱাৰ কোনো চান্সই নাই। সেই কাৰণে we can say that if we consider a comma b belongs to natural number, then their HCF is always a natural number. তাহলে দুটা এলিমেন্ট natural number ললো, তাহলে রিজাল্ট natural number হৈ গল। সেই কাৰণে এটো must be a binary operation, or you can say that it will satisfy the closure property. How can you say that? First given a star b is equal to HCF of a comma b, but star is defined on n. This one is defined. Closure property. Closure property. Let, or you can say that as for a comma b belongs to n, আমি যদি the natural number consider কৰো, then a star b which is equal to what? HCF of a comma b is also belongs to natural number. Am I correct? তুমি যদি দুটা natural number লৈছা, star is defined on natural number, তুমি দুটা natural number লোৱা, তাহাত আমাৰ অপাৰেচনটো কৰিছো, যেটো আনসাৰ আহিছে এটা অকলে natural number হ'ব, because HCF of two natural number is again a natural number. Therefore star is a binary operation. Or you can say that stars satisfy the closure property. Okay, stars satisfy the closure property. First one is finished. I hope you are getting my point. So next, it is given that if it is a binary operation, then check the commutative and associative property of the binary operation. A binary operation to commutative property or associative property satisfy korabo lage. So commutative. How many elements we have to consider? It is known to you. Let a comma b belongs to natural number. Then to be commutative, what is the condition? To be commutative, a star b should be equal to b star a. Now a star b means HCF of a comma b. Very simple. 2 star 4 HCF of 2, 4. What is the answer? 2. 4 star 2. To be commutative, if we replace them or if we interchange their position, the value should remain same. So HCF of 4, 2. Am I correct? Which is just like as HCF of 2, 4 meaning is same. To me, 2, 4 HCF of 4, 2 HCF. What is the answer? 2 in this case. That means it satisfies the commutative property A star B is equal to B star A. So B star A is equal to A star B is equal to HCF of A comma B. So B star A is equal to HCF of B comma A. Representation should be distinct. So B star A is equal to HCF of B comma A. HCF of A comma B is always equal to HCF of B comma A. Same value we will have. That is A star B is equal to B star A, which is equal to HCF of A comma B. Same meaning. That is A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is what? Star is commutative. So we have got that star is commutative. Now we are going to say the associative property. It is known to you. For associative property, how many elements you have to consider? 3 different elements from the set where the binary operation is defined. We have to consider 3 different elements. A, B, C belongs to N. To be associative, using the property, to be associative, I think it is known to you. A star, B star, C. The operation lies inside the bracket as well as outside the bracket are same. So A star B star C. To be associative, this condition should be satisfied. So now I am going to find out the value of A star B star C first. So A star B star means first of all we will try to simplify the term which lies inside the bracket. So which is equal to HCF of B comma C. Am I correct? HCF of B comma C. A star B is equal to HCF of A comma B. So B star C is equal to HCF of B comma C. So now this one is A and this one is B. Am I correct? A star B. That means B and C HC to a single number hobo no. This number will be B is a belong or A to A is a belong. A star B is a What does it mean? HCF of A comma A star B মানে কিমান চোৱা A star B মানে HCF of A comma B. So this one is A and this one is B. So HCF of A comma what is the value B? So HCF of, am I correct? HCF of A comma B. HCF of this one comma this one. This is nothing but HCF of, this is the answer. Correct. So in this way we have to get the answer. A star B star C. Now we are going to find out the value of A star B star C, which is equal to HCF of, first of all we are going to simplify this one, HCF of A comma B star C. This one is A and this one is B. A star B, which is equal to HCF of A means HCF of A comma B. This is just like this HCF of A B C. Is it clear? So in this way, as you have got there, A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, star is associated. The last bit you have to write down as A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Therefore, for all ABC belongs to natural number, so star is associative. Star to associative. So we have got the answer of the first one. It satisfies the closure property. It is commutative. It is associative also. Now we are going to find out the identity if it exists, identity element if it exists, and inverse. Okay. So let's start. What do you mean by identity and inverse? Remember that identity and inverse both are unique elements only. If it exists, then it is unique. And if identity element does not exist, no need to find out the inverse. That is, you cannot find out the inverse of that element. Okay. So what do you mean by identity element? An element E belongs to the set where the binary operation is defined will be known as identity element if E star A is equal to A. For remember is equal to A star A. For all A belongs to natural number. Am I correct? To be an identity element, so first of all, identity. Let E belongs to n. Because the binary operation is defined on n, that's why identity element should be an element of the set where the binary operation is defined. Let E belongs to n be the identity element. Identity element. IE. Short form of moi likhisu be the identity element. Then for each A belongs to natural number. Remember, for each A, যদি ইটো আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্ট হয় is always unique, এনেকুৱা natural number set থকা এটা এলিমেন্ট of under this binary operation, an element will be known as identity element. If for each A belongs to natural number, তাক বাদ দি আমি natural number set থকা যিকোনো এলিমেন্টৰ লগত যদি আমি অপাৰেশন কৰো, A star E is equal to কিমান হ'ব লাগিব? A which is equal to E star. This one is known as left hand identity and this one is known as right hand identity. Remember, this one is always unique and it should be true for each A belongs to A. A is not unique. Okay, that is unique number. ভালকে কথাটা মন কৰা. Here E is unique. That means E is a particular number. Natural number set ৰত আমি A operation to define কৰিছো. This is a set of natural number the operation. Identity element should be a unique element in the set n. Natural number set থকা এটা particular exactly এটা element তোমালোকে সেই element identity element ক'ব পাৰিবা. If we have the operation of any element of that natural number set, in natural number set thoka jikunu element of opposite matar operation koru, under the operation the element should remain same. So A means any natural number. Remember, A is any natural number, but E is particular, is fixed. So let us try to check the identity element if it exists or not. Now, first of all, A star E is equal to তোমাকে জানাই identity element কেনেকৈ চেক কৰো. So আমি এই পার্টটো লম. So A star means HCF of A comma E is equal to A. So you have to find out value of E only. তোমালোকে E value find out কৰিব লাগে. Now very important step. You have to justify. Very important step. Listen please. So what does it mean? If you are not getting the idea about this step, then just consider one example. HCF of 2,4. What is the answer? 2. What do you have to find out? You have to find the value of E only. E value to be confirm koribo lage. So whenever we have any HCF of two numbers, jeta duta number ami HCF found. HCF of 2,4 is 2. That means what? This number divides 2 as well as 4. Correct? 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2. That means, are you getting my point? HCF of 2,4 is 2. মানে এই নাম্বাৰটোৱে তুমি 2 কো ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰিবা 4 কো ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰিবা. That means A divides A, it is known to you, and A divides E also. তোমালোকে মোক এটা কনফার্ম কৰিব লাগে এই দুটা সিম্বলৰ ভিতৰত কোনটো পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ, that means কোনটো ফিক্সড আৰু কোনটো ভেৰি কৰে. তোমালোকে জানানে A represents all the natural number, এই দুটি natural number বিলাকে ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে আৰু E এ কাক ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে, এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ natural number ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে. তোমালোকে মোক এটা কথা কোৱাচোন, HCF ৰ কনসেপ্ট মতে এই নাম্বাৰটোৱে দুটা নাম্বাৰকে ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰে। কাৰেক্ট? তেনে তোমালোকে মোক কোৱাচোন ইটো সব natural number ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে। তোমালোকে এনে এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ natural number কোৱা যিটো natural numberক সব natural number ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰে। সব natural number ডিভাইড কৰিব পৰা নাম্বাৰ ক'ব লাগে। সব natural number 6 ক সবে ডিভাইড কৰিব নোৱাৰি। 6 যেনেকৈ সবে ডিভাইড কৰে 6 তেনেকৈ কেতিয়াও ই হ'ব নোৱাৰে। তোমালোকে মোক এনে এটা natural number কোৱা যিটো natural numberক সব natural number ডিভাইড কৰিব। এই কনসেপ্টটো মোক কোৱা লিয়ালে চোৱা যে দুটা নাম্বাৰৰ মই যেতিয়া HCF উলিয়াইছো সেই HCF টো কি হয় ইয়াৰ ফেক্টৰ হয় ইয়াৰ ফেক্টৰ হয় বা HCF টো দুটা নাম্বাৰকে এক্স্যাক্টলি ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰিবা। সো দ্যাট মিন্স what every you have to find out a natural number, particular natural number which will be divisible by every natural number যিটো নেকি সব natural number ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰা। তেনে কিবা natural number এক্সিস্ট কৰিছে নে? No, there does not exist any natural number which is divisible by all the natural numbers. A মানে all the natural numbers, E মানে এটা particular natural number. আমি এনে এটা natural number ক'ব লাগে যাক নেকি সব natural number ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰি। সেই কনসেপ্টটো মই ইয়াৰ পৰা আনি আছো ভালকৈ ভাবিছো। এই সেটে সবকে ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰি, ইয়াকো পাৰি ইয়াকো পাৰি। এটা হলো সব natural number, এ মানে সব natural number। কেলে for each A লিখা নাই নেকি? সব natural number ডিভাইড কৰিব natural number ক'ব লাগে। মই ই বিষয়ে কনফার্ম বিচাৰিছো। So there does not exist any natural number which is divisible by all the natural number. Therefore identity element does not exist. By এনেকে ক'ব নোৱাৰে বাৰু আমি এইখন এনেকে লিখিব পাৰো সো আমি is a factor of a আমি ডাইৰেক্টলি মেনশন কৰি দিব পাৰো right e is a multiple of a. This one implies e is a whenever. So 4 is a multiple of 2. 2 is a multiple of 2. Am I correct? Yes. That means both of them are multiple of a. E is a multiple of a. E is particular, A is variable. That means what can we conclude that? We can easily conclude that so E is a multiple of A. So statement number 1 for all a belongs to natural number. আমি এনে কোন পার্টিকুলার নাম্বার কব লাগে যেটি সব ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার মাল্টিপল হয় বা এনে কোন নাম্বার কব লাগে এনে কোটা ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার কব লাগে যেটো ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার সব ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰি তেনেকুৱা ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার এক্সিস্ট কৰে নে কেতিয়াও নকৰে বা এটা এনেকে লিখিছো ই ইজ এ মাল্টিপল অফ এ বুলি ক'ব পাৰা সো ই ইজ এ মাল্টিপল অফ এ ফৰ অল এ বিলংস টু ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার আমি জাস্ট লাস্টত লিখি দিম সো সিন্স ই ইজ নট ইউনিক ইটো ইউনিক হয় নে বাৰু তেনেকুৱা নাম্বার ক'ব পাৰিবা না যেটো নেকি সব ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰি নোৱাৰি ন so E is not unique. Therefore, the binary person star doesn't have any identity element. Identity element does not exist. Correct? Identity element does not exist. Identity element doesn't exist. But remember, A star A is equal to A you have considered and you have to show that E star A is equal to. You have to save both the cases. So here also ACF of E comma A is equal to A. That means A divides. E is divisible by every natural number. Such that natural number exists or what? Is it divisible by all the natural numbers? No. Therefore identity element does not exist. This is not possible. That means you have to give the answer that E is not unique. Therefore identity element does not exist. And if identity element does not exist for this operation, then you are not supposed to think about the finding the inverse, because inverse is totally depend upon identity element. If identity element is যদি জাস্ট exist নকৰে তেতিয়াহলে ইনভার্সৰ উলিওৱাৰ কোনো কথাই নাথাকে, because inverse to totally identity element ৰ লগতে related হয়. If identity element exists, we can think about the finding of inverse. Okay, suppose if I will change the question, যদি মই কোৱেশ্চনটো চেঞ্জ কৰো HCF for জায়গা যদি মই LCM বুলি লিখি দিওঁ, then what will be the procedure? Suppose question is different. LCM. In all those cases, obviously it is a binary operation, because if you consider two natural number, then their LCM is again a natural number. তোমালোকে দুটা natural number ললে তাতৰ LCM টো সদায় natural number হ'ব. So it is binary operation and it is commutative. 2, 4 is equal to LCM, 4, 2 LCM হয়. Associative also 1, 2, 3 is equal to LCM, 1, 2, 3 bracket to jake nokora, it will be associative also. Now I'm going to find out the identity and inverse if it exists. My identity element to be studied over try this. Okay, so listen. Stability change here only. So remember, we are going to find out the LCM. So this one is LCM. You are not getting my point here? LCM of A comma E. Consider LCM of 2, 3. What is the answer? 6. Remember that LCM is divisible by both the elements. Both are factors of that LCM. দুটা নাম্বার যদি LCM উলিয়া যায়, সেই LCM টো দুটা নাম্বার ডিভিজিবল হয়. LCM of A আৰু E কি পাইছা? A পাইছো. তেলে আইডেন্টি এলিমেন্ট হলে তো প্ৰপাৰ্টি স্যাটিসফাই কৰিব লাগে. সো A star E মানে LCM of A, B হয় ন? A star B হলে. So A star E হলে LCM of A, E হ'ব তেতিয়া হলে. So this one is equal to A. What does it mean? A is divisible by A as well as E. E is particular. Identity element হলে particular হয়. আৰু A টো হৈছে গোটেই নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ. তোমালোকে মই এনেকুৱা নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ কোৱাছো যিটো নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ সেই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ. তাৰ মানে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ 6 is divisible by both. এটা সব নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ ন? তোমালোকে মোক এনেকুৱা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ E ভ্যালু হলে ফিক্স. তোমালোকে মোক এনেকুৱা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ কোৱা যিটো নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ A টো 1 ডিভাইড হয় সেইটো আমি জানো. এনেকুৱা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ কোৱা যিটো নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ সব নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰি which can divide 6 is divided by 2 and 3 a is divided by a and e a is divided by a, it's known to us, but is there any natural number, fixed natural number which can divide each and every natural number? Enokana particular natural number ko ji sob natural number divide koribo para sob bolibo kyo koru because a represents all the natural number for each a belongs to natural number. Tenoka kiba natural number ase niki ji sob natural number divide koribo para exactly kile 1 nohoy niki 1 ta natural number ji sob ke divide koribo para this implies e is equal to 1 1 বাহিৰে বেলেগ কোনো নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ হ'ব নোৱাৰে যিনি সব নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰি এই কথাটা বুজিব কাৰণে এটা এক্সাম্পল কনসিডাৰ কৰি লৈছো 6 যেতিয়া তোমালোকে দুটা নাম্বাৰ এলসিএম উলিয়াবা এলসিএম টু দুইটা নাম্বাৰ ডিভাইড হয় এ এহনটা এলসিএম কি পাইছা এ এনে এ ৰো ডিভাইড হ'ব লাগিব ই ৰো ডিভাইড হ'ব লাগিব এ টো ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰিবা এ কি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰে অল দ্য নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ তেনে তোমালোকে গোটেই নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰক ডিভাইড কৰা এটা নাম্বাৰ কৈ দিম কাৰণ ইটা জায়গা লিখা আছে এলে 1 নহব নেকি so remember 1 is always a natural number here. So e is equal to 1 is the identity element. You have to check this part also. This part to tomorrow check kori dekhabo lagi. As you are getting the what identity element, so you have to find out the inverse also. So I mean inverse to find out korte hole. So e is equal to 1. Remember. Let how can you find out the inverse? Inverse. Let a belongs to n be inversible and b belongs to n is the inverse of it. Consider korisu a is inversible and b to car inverse a inverse, then obviously then what is the condition duta element eta inversible ketia hoy jetia a star b is equal to the identity 2 half or inverse ketia 2 or half multiplied by 1 so a and b are inverse of each other b is the inversible element of a so that's why a star b is equal to e is equal to b star. But what is the value of e? What is the identity element for this operation star? A star operation to can identity element kya paisa e ki ekdam pala e equal to 1 pi so that's why we can really think about this one 1. Now we are going to find the value of b. Why? A is inversible or not? You have considered that b is the inversible element. So now we are going to find the value of b. A star b is equal to 1. This one implies LCM of a comma b is equal to 1. Okay, so দুটা এলিমেন্টৰ LCM to 1 আহিছে কোন দুটা এলিমেন্টৰ LCM 1 আহিব পাৰে 2 আৰু 3 LCM 1 নেকি no 6 5 আৰু 7 ৰ LCM 1 নেকি no 35 দুটা নাম্বাৰ এলসিএম যদি 1 আহিছে আহি পাইছা যদি তেতিয়ালে a আৰু b নিজে itself কি হ'ব লাগিব জানে 1 হ'ব লাগিব this is true only if দুটা এলিমেন্ট 1 হ'ব লাগিব that is in the same way if we consider b star a is equal to 1 also that means LCM of b comma a is equal to 1 that means duta element or LCM যদি 1 আইছে then this is only possible if a is equal to b is equal to 1 am I correct? So in this way also we have to give the example that this is only possible hence 1 is the only inversible that means we can easily write down the answer first of all you have got the duta element or the LCM to 1 আইছে duta element individually 1 হ'ব লাগিব তেতিয়ালে কি কম পালা 1 is the only inversible element. Yet a couple inversible element that is S. B is the inverse of A. 0 B to A inverse of A. So 1 is the inverse of A. Yet 1 over here beleg kono element tomorrow inversible na paba. Kele na paba nije baba biswa. 1 over the back এটা সব মেইন কন্ডিশন কি হয় ইনভার্সিবল হবলে কি হ'ব লাগে দুটা এলিমেন্টৰ মাজত অপাৰেশন কৰিলে এই 1 টো আহিব লাগিব তোমালোকে নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ 10 টা এলিমেন্ট কেতিয়াও নাপাবা যিটা এলিমেন্টৰ মাজত যদি মই এলসিএম উলিয়াও 2 আৰু 3 যিকোনো এটা নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ কনসিডাৰ কৰিছো 1 অফ বাদ কেতিয়া তোমালোকে কি এলসিএম 1 নাই এলসিএম অফ a, b is equal to 1 means both of them should be equal to 1 Otherwise it's not possible. That means you have got a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. তোমালোকে কি কনসিডার কৰি লৈছিলা? b is the inverse of a. That means 1 is the inverse of 1. 1 ৰ বাহিৰে বেলেগ কাৰো ইনভার্স নাই। কোনো এলিমেন্টৰ তোমালোকে ইনভার্স হ'ব পাৰা। কেনে হ'ব চোৱা? সাপোজ মই কৈছো যে 2 ইনভার্স কিয় নাথাকে? তাৰমানে 2 ৰ ইনভার্স থাকিব হ'লে 2 ৰ লগত কোনোবা এটা এলিমেন্টৰ এলচিএম টো কিমান হ'ব লাগিব? অবভিয়াসলি 1 হ'ব লাগিব। তুমি তোমালোকে মোক কোৱাচোন 2 ৰ লগত কাৰ এলচিএম 1 হয়? 1 or no? 2 আৰু 1 ৰ এলচিএম 2. 2 no 2 আৰু 2 LCM 2 থাকে 3 no 2 আৰু 3 LCM 6 হয় so you will not get any natural number whose LCM with 2 is always equal to 1 that means 2 inverse নাই inverse থাকাতে 2 আৰু সেই এলিমেন্টৰ LCM কিমান হ'লতেন 1 এই হ'লতেন তাৰমানে আইডেন্টি এলিমেন্টটো পালাহেন but we are not getting all those identity elements here in this case so in this way you can easily see the identity inverse commutativity associativity closure property of any binary operations I hope you are getting my point. Just note it down all those cases and try to find out the identity inverse of any element yourself. If you have any question, just go through your NCT textbook. So many questions are available there. Just try to find out the identity inverse. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.